Hello dear students, myself Vimal Monasra. Welcome in our LJP Electrical YouTube channel. In this session, I would like to discuss important topics of installation of electrical equipments in the subject of electrical commissioning, installation and maintenance. Let's start discuss content of our sessions. First one is factors to be considered affect to design foundation, and the second one is tools necessary for installation. Now we will discuss the main factors in detail. First one is shear resistance of the soil, second one is settlement, third one is resonance, fourth is operative speed, and fifth is vibrations. Let's discuss one by one all the main factors in the details. Now first one is shear resistance of the soil. If any machine is placed on soft ground without any foundation, then it will go on sinking slowly. So the ability of the soil to bear the weight, it means withstand capacity, is called the shear resistance of the soil. Now move to the second topic, settlement. You know, for making foundation, sand, cement, gravel and water, this type of mixture is required, and sometimes steel rods are placed for reinforcement. After solid foundation is prepared, water spray is sprayed for 4 to 5 days. This whole process is called solidification, and this entire process is called settlement. Now move the third point, resonance. You know, generally vibrations are produced due to unbalancing when electric machine rotates, at which ratio of frequency of vibrations and natural frequency of machine is become unity. It is called resonance. Shear and crushing stress are also produced in foundation at the time of resonance. Now fourth one is operative speed. There are more thrust are produced when the rotating machine are rotate at very high speed. The foundation has to bear more force when the thrust are more. So the operative speed also considered while the designing of the foundation of particular machine. Now the fifth one is vibrations. Due to the vibrations, grip of any nut bolt, cement, concrete and steel are loose. So the vibration is also crucial factor for designing of foundation of any particular machine. Now we will come to the next point, and it is necessary tools for installation. There are many tools are used which are in the installation of equipments, but here we will discuss only main tools. The first one is spirit level. It is used to check whether the machine is set in horizontal plane or not. You can see here it is figure. In this, there is a glass tube filled with liquid. There is an air bubble in it, and one type of mark is also made at the middle. This whole tube is placed in rectangular metal box or any wooden box also for the protection. To check the level, the spirit level is kept on the surface. The surface is level if the air bubble comes to the mark, and if the bubble goes to left or right, then we can say that surface is not level. Now the second one is tri-square. Generally tri-square is used to check whether the two surfaces are at rectangle to each other. So there are two parts of the tri-square. First one is beam and the second one is blade. You can see its figure here. There are two are joined at the right angle to each other. Now we move on third one. It is spanner and wrenches. It is used to open or tighten the nut or bolt. Spanner is of single or double-ended type. These are available in different lengths and throws. The width of the jaw is adjustable in adjustable type spanner. Box type spanner also called the T-socket wrenches. You can see its figure here. In addition to this, pipe wrench is also used, and generally we can tell it monkey wrenches. You can all figures spanners and wrenches here. The first one is double-ended type spanner, then the second one is T-socket, and the third one is monkey wrench. Now the last tools is screwdriver. Generally you can say that it is used to fasten the screw. It is available in different length and blade sizes. Its handle is made of wood or any plastic material. You can see its figure here. So dear students, we are ending this session here, and I will be here again with new topics and new informations. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.